you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fantabulous day today, and welcome to day one of my 12 days of Vlogmas, or should that be Housemas, or should that be Chaosmas, because it's all happening. Yeah, it's all happening. You can see it's not looking very Christmassy behind me, not yet, but I'm wearing my Love Your Sprouts t-shirt, trying really hard to get into the Christmas spirit. So there's loads to do, obviously. Going to try and do a little bit of decoration in here, although I'm not going all out because I'm going to have to pack it up again in a couple of weeks. So I've been up in the loft and I've got a load of boxes out for my vlog sale pieces. I'm going to show you those. The lion's on a conference call at the moment, so I've got there's some of the stuff stacked up there. Look at all those lovely boxes of Louis. I know, aren't I a good girl holding on to all my packaging? And speaking of packaging, got a load of packaging here. Yeah, so basically every time I ordered something from Louis Vuitton online, I kept the shipping boxes because just in case. So they've been up in the loft. I've dug them all out. I've got some pieces already just waiting for the payments to come through, and then I can ship those out. I've done some quotes for shipping. That's all happening. So this is the stuff that I'm going to use in my room. I'll put that on in a second. It's T-Rex Turkey. You know him. You love him. He is the guarder of the advent calendars and the holder-upper of the drunk tree, which is there. So I'm going to set that up. I've got my Christmas themed things out, so you can expect to see me wearing these over the next couple of few weeks. And over there we've got, these are some of my, I decided to do a homemade advent calendar as well. So these are some of those, though I'm still waiting for the pieces to arrive. This arrived, it's very exciting. This is a birthday prezi from Winnie BLV. She's told me to open it straight away, but I'm going to hold on to my birthday. Look at how pretty it is, look at the colours. It's kind of green and purple, lavender lilac-y colour together. Lovely, gorgeous. Thank you very much, Winnie. She wasn't supposed to actually send me a present. We're not supposed to be doing birthday presents this year. But she did it anyway because she's very, very naughty. So I'm looking forward to opening that on my birthday. And mess. My other advent calendars have been sat here patiently waiting for the time, so we need to build the Candy Kittens one, so we need to get into that. I've still got some work to do, so it's probably going to be a little bit darker when I come back to you in a bit and we start building the Candy Kittens and then start arranging things up here to try and make it a little bit more Christmassy, a little more vlogmassy. It's been a bit of a day. My laptop sounds how I feel. Can you hear the fan going? That's how my brain feels right now. It's been a bit of a day, but I finished work and I am going to make the Candy Kittens Christmas advent calendar tree thing. So come along and do it with me. Oh, it's a big yawn, Lily. It's a big yawn, pretty girl. Hello. Are you nesting? You have no idea what's coming. Lily asked me to turn the camera around so she can look beautiful. Do you want to be on camera? Do you want to be on camera? My beautiful girl. Yeah. Yeah. My gosh, you're so pretty. There's never been a prettier cat. Has there? No. Wave your paws in the air like you just don't care. No? Okay, alright. So, she in focus or am I in focus? Seriously, you picked some terrible lighting, haven't you? You picked some terrible lighting, but you look fabulous. "25 days of Candy Kittens joy." Pop-up advent tree. Let's get in it. I'm sorry, am I not paying you attention? Am I not paying you attention? Look at that tummy. Look at that tummy. It's a surefire way to get scratched. Okay. It's got instructions. Oh God. I've got to make lots of tiny little boxes. That's already got something in it. Let's, we should probably point this down, shouldn't we? Sorry Lily, you're beautiful, but you're not the main event. This is the main event. That is, so these are all the sweeties. And these are all the boxes. Okay, so the boxes just pop out like this. So I'm guessing fold in, then that folds in. Ooh. And then you got a little box. You put your little candy kitten in there, right? So you go through. This is quite good, isn't it? Easy to make. I thought I didn't have enough on the plate. I thought I'd better give this a go as well. Make my own advent calendar. Hello. You want to see what's going on? That was Mummy's tummy. She's hungry. Yes. You gonna help? No? Okay. You're gonna saunter around the place like you own the place. You kind of do, don't you? You own us. Right, made up all of the little boxes. So the next stage is going to be building the tree. Apparently I'm supposed to fill the boxes, but I think if I try and do that now, I am going to eat all the sweets. That's Candy Kittens on the back. This must be the back. And this must be the front. That bit. And I guess that folds. It's too much for my tiny little brain to comprehend. That's the top one in. That's already got something in it. But now I need to fill all of these little boxes with sweets from here, and it says I can do, each box will take 2 of the big ones or 3 of the little ones. So let's just line up the boxes and see how we go. Try not to get sugar everywhere. Hi. Hello. Do you want to sniff it? Oh, beautiful girl. It's time to just randomly pop these in. Let's try not to put the dates too close to each other. Oh, I like this. It's got little bits on the box to stop it from going too far. It's not the most sturdy of things, but you would expect that for cardboard. I don't know how this is going to travel when we move. Okay. We are all built. Na-na! Well, I'm quite proud of my handiwork there. What a fun kit. And these are the instructions. The instructions are all written really cute instructions. Now here we've got, this one says, oh, we've not forgotten about box 25, sitting there looking all smug and beautiful. Forget all your other presents on Christmas Day, this is the one you're really waiting to open. That's all this step is, to draw attention to the star of the show. we can continue. Brilliant. Really, really good stuff. Christmas, but make it gourmet. Now, so this is what's on the back of it. Okay, so it's a vegan, it's made with fruit juice, it's palm oil free, and it's carbon neutral. All of the good things. Excellent. Right, oh, and these are the sweets. Wild strawberry, orchid apple and dragon fruit, Candy Kittens loves, sweet raspberry and guava, and sour watermelon. Right, time to take this upstairs and make my room look a bit more Christmassy. Oh, and then we can eat them. We can open number one. Tell you what, I can't wait to have a bit more space in the new house that I can do things like leave lighting out all the time. And then I don't have to set things up and take them down again. I'm confused what's going on here. Alright, let's plug this in and let's have some light. How's that? Ooh, it's a bit bright, isn't it? Better? Hate a ring light with my glasses. It's very annoying. Got my deely bopper on. Let's try and make some of this a little bit more festive. Is anything in focus? Let's try and get that in focus. Hey, there is literally nowhere to put anything. Got myself a cheeky little G&T while I was downstairs. No gin advent calendar for me this year. I've got my Harrods advent calendar. So this is going to have to sit. Whoops. That's the instructions. This is probably going to have to sit in the middle, isn't it? Na-na! Okay, this is for today. This is, that's the lion starting to do dinner. This is my homemade advent calendar piece for today, day one. He's back, you know him, you love him. It's T-Rex turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. We love you, T-Rex. Okay, so this all looks a bit naff. I agree. It looks a bit lackluster. It doesn't have the same punch with the lights and everything that I normally put out this time of year. But this is temporary. This is a 2-week temporary job. So clearly unprepared. Moving house in a couple of weeks. It's all a bit nuts. It looks like I haven't thought it through. You're half right. I thought it through, I panicked, I thought I can't think of this anymore. Let's stop all this nonsense, let's get into the advent calendars. Let's get into the one that I've just built. Let's start dismantling it. Number one here. It's got a little saying on the back of them as well, which I quite like. This one says, "You're a curious one, we like that." Does that remind you of anyone? Reminds me a little bit of Caleb Snell. I've got 2 in here. I'm going to save one. This must be the guava one. Oh my god, that's delicious. I'm going to save one for the lion. I'm going to do my, to me, advent calendar. I got myself another another set of Christmas jumpers, not jumpers, pyjamas, and you'll see why in a second. So they're top and bottoms. They're from M&S, and this is where I've been getting them for the last few years. This is my new thing, getting a new set of these every year because they're just so nice. We're in the cold weather with a fire on, lovely. They've got little cuffed ankles. They are M&S. They were £22. Last year they had them in like size 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, blah. This year it seems to be extra large. So I've gone for extra large. It's a little bit on the big size. I think extra large is an 18 to 20 and I'm an 18. So it's a little bit loose, but that just means there's more room for treats and mince pies and sprouts, because I love sprouts. So I bought this for myself, and we have got a zebra, we've got a panda wearing some dealy boppers. What looks, but isn't, a lemur. I don't know what he is. We've got a tiger, there's parrots. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm so pleased I bought this for myself. So I wanted to open this one first because on my first day of my 12 days of Vlogmas, because frankly I want to get in it and start wearing it. Okay, so this is the big one. This is the big one. This is the Harrods perfume. Wow, this one was expensive, but I thought it was worth it because it said it was something like 800 quid's worth of perfume that was in here. And I love perfume, I really do, but I'm scared to try blind buying big bottles. And it's got 12 in here, so it's a perfect number. Okay, number one is a big box, and this is heavy. Look at the box. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty. Okay, onto me. 3, 2, 1, you're back in the room. And I've got the menu here as well, but I don't want to look at it yet because I want to open this. I feel like I should be opening this at the beginning of the day rather than at the end of the day, so I think I will do that. Now this is Eau de Parfum. Oh, hello, Ms. Crystal. Ooh, wow, this is, I mean, it's a small bottle, but it is weighty. So this is Roja. Oh, look at what we've got, Meredith. Yes. Roja Parfum Oud 30ml. Rose, saffron, oud, top notes. Lemon, bergamot, verbena, heart notes, geranium, rose de mai, jasmine de grasse, yang, lang lang, base notes, rhubarb, cinnamon, nutmeg, saffron, patchouli, cedarwood, cashmere wood, sandalwood, oud, vanilla, leather, ambergris and musk. This has got it all going on. Look at that bottle. Oh yeah. Oh, this is deeply sexy. Okay. Oh, this is quite masculine. This is really woody and oh, this is right up my what's it. And it's got a little ooh, bit of a squeaker there, mate. And then it's got this beautiful crystal lid. Okay, I'm in. I'm in. Parfum number one. Oh, that's an absolute win. Oh, I'm in. I'm in. I'm in for this. Right. Oh, that was such a mess. I'm going to have to crack on with that. Crack on with editing this. Try and get it together for you guys.